Um, so I figured it was time to give you guys an update on what's going on. I have some footage from the last 2 days, but it's like not me. It's just like random clips from like going out with Leia and stuff like that. But so yeah, I guess I should give you guys an update. It's officially a week before we move, and that's a little stressful. This weekend I'm going to be like deep cleaning all the rooms, and so that way we just need to keep them maintained. This upcoming week, we're just gonna be packing, and Tom's gonna be finishing up his job. So yeah, it's down to crunch time, and I'm super excited but also super scared. We don't know if his dad has gotten the U-Haul yet, so I need to figure that out. Just sitting on my bed, you can't really see it, sitting on my messy bed, drinking. I juiced 3 mandarin oranges, a romaine heart, and like a cup and a half of baby carrots because that's what we had in the fridge, and blended it with a banana. So good. Anyways, so yeah, just getting everything ready. I can actually show you guys what everything looks like. I don't think I'm going to show you the study because it's still like super gross because, you know, animals, they don't know how to act. Okay, that sounds really mean. I'm sorry. Leia still pees and poops in the house even though we take her out, so working on that. Tom is sick. He stayed home today. He has a sore throat, so we went and got him some cough drop lozenges things, and I'm currently cooking breakfast, which is just a bunch of hash browns. And so I hope that he gets better, especially with this move. I hope it gets better. But next week he's not going to work as much because, you know, it was really down to crunch time, and I know I'm home by myself, but like a lot of stuff I can't do by myself. We're going to be selling the couches this weekend, and if they sell, we're gonna move our bed into the living room and sit on that and stuff like that. So I think that'll be cool. That was my idea. And that's a normal thing people do, right, when they're moving and stuff. Also, we got a new couch. They say it's barely used. It's up around the area where we're moving to. It's really cute. It's gray. Really excited about that. We're still looking for a TV stand. But yeah, I wanted to show you. Oh, we went to Kroger. You saw that because I'm gonna put that. I took some footage there, and I'm gonna put that before this. Sorry, I'm like looking like this. I have you sideways, so because it looks better on the YouTube. So yeah, that's our little update. Not much has been going on, but this weekend is gonna start crunch time, and we're gonna be like going and going and going and going, but I hope he feels better because I really need him. And excuse me, but yeah, if you guys want, I can like try to daily vlog, if not like every other day, especially like going through this move. You guys might want to see that. I will definitely do a house tour when everything's ready. I'm still thinking about my office and like, you know, what's gonna go in there. I kind of want to decorate it. One of my favorite things is like succulents and cacti, so I think I'm gonna decorate it like that. So that's gonna be cool. Yeah, this is getting a little bit rambly. So yeah. Oh, if you guys want to, you can follow me on my social medias. I just started a Snapchat for my channel. It's just at KMB, and so is my Twitter and Instagram. I'd love if you followed me. That'd be really cool. I don't post much on Instagram, but I do sincerely like it. And if I feel like if I had more followers, I'd have like more of an audience, I'd post more. But I guess if I posted more, I'd have more of an audience. I don't know. Twitter, beware, I'm very weird on there because it's not like Facebook. So, um, so yeah, just follow me. I'd love to. I'd love to interact with you guys outside of, YouTube and stuff like that. That'd be really cool. So yeah, I'll put it right here at KMBKAEEMBE. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna cut to the footage from the last 2 days. So I love you guys, and I hope you have a good day. Stay weird.
Going on an adventure. Yeah, you ready to go on an adventure? Y'all nice and comfy? Alright, here we go.
truck, whatever. It's freaking rad. Oh my god, that is.
Come on. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
She's so excited.
She said it's been rainy and gross past like 100 days.
Yeah. Look at these.
Oh my god. She is.